Alrighty, time for another edition of Science Sunday, joined by, of course, Eva Ryle of the Connecticut Science Center.
Hey, Mark, how's it going?
Doing well. It's Sunday morning. It's time to do a little science, and you've already got your safety goggles on. I'm going to put mine on. We've got gloves. We're talking pH today.
Yes. So we are going to use some chemicals. That's why we got our gloves and our goggles on, of course. But we are talking about pH. So I have this cool thing here. This is a universal indicator. All right. And it helps us tell what things are acidic and what things are basic.
So what is pH to begin with?
Yeah, so pH is just a measure of how acidic or basic things are. So it's a scale we use to measure those things.
And so we're going to start over here.
Yep, we're going to
kind of work our way through, and this indicator is going to tell us something.
Yes, and so you'll very quickly see how it's going to tell us that. So I have this clear liquid here. I'm going to pour in this indicator. And you see it's got that nice purple color now. Now this is ammonia, and it's a very strong base.
All right, so you may actually have that at your home.
Yeah, ammonia is a pretty common household cleaner. This one here is sodium bicarbonate, which is found in eggs, in shells, and it's going a blue color.
All right,
so
and a little cloudier too.
Yeah, a little bit of a weaker base, so we're moving up the rainbow.
We're getting less basic.
Yes, less basic. We move it in the middle here with just water. Now water's neutral, it's not acidic or basic, and it's got that green color.
All right.
So right in the middle. And we're gonna move up one more. This is citric acid, which is found in a lot of fruits.
All right.
So that's naturally occurring. And we got this nice kind of orangey color. Right? And our last one here is hydrochloric acid, which is a pretty strong acid.
You probably won't find in your house.
Yes, yeah, and that's one of the reasons we have these safety equipment on. And that's going a nice red color because it's a pretty strong acid.
All right, so on this end of the table we have acids. More basic as we head this way.
Absolutely, and you can see this has been formulated to change the colors of the rainbow depending on where on the pH scale our solution falls, which is pretty cool.
Awesome, and you can also, have reactions?
Yes.
All right.
So one really cool thing about acids and bases is that when you combine them, some things can happen.
All right.
So everyone's probably pretty familiar with Alka-Seltzer. Pretty common household thing, but in Alka-Seltzer there is an acid and a base.
All right.
So, and when they dissolve in water, those two can interact, and we're going to see something.
And a reaction takes place. All right, so we've got canisters that are just filled with water.
Yep, a little bit of water. I have some Alka-Seltzer. I've just broken it up into smaller pieces.
All right.
So what we're going to do, you're going to drop one piece in, put the top on, and then flip it upside down.
All right. This is a fun one.
When these acids and bases combine, there's citric acid and sodium bicarbonate in there. They form carbon dioxide.
So you know, normally when you, if you're one who takes Alka-Seltzer, when you drop it in the water, it gets all bubbly, right? But we're kind of confining that in a space here.
Absolutely. As you can see, once that pressure builds up too much, we get a little bit of a reaction.
Like legit hitting the ceiling. All right.
So that's what happens sometimes when you put some acids and bases
Science
together.
right there. Good stuff. And of course, we're being safe. Got the eye goggles on, being, of course, safety first. So a wonderful demonstration, of course. And you guys are always doing live science at the Science Center. And speaking of the Science Center, I want to let everyone know about Columbus Day.
Yeah, we decided to open up for Columbus Day. That's Monday, October 8th. We'll be open 10 to 5.
Can you believe it? We're already talking about October.
I know.
It's the last week of September. Incredible. All right, Eva, thank you so much. And of course, we'll see you for another edition of Science Sunday next weekend.